Hello everyone, my name is Joshua, and this is my introductory activity. So my first one today is running and stopping. This activity includes students that run in different directions for free choice, and then you'll have to stress a stopping technique. And be immobilized. So on the signal, have the children stop and run, and then assume a statue pose. So
run. Stop. Run. Stop. Be a letter. Go. Stop. Be a statue. Copy each other's statue. Run. Stop. Be a letter. Look at each other as you do it. Run. In place. Stop.
So for my next event that I'm going to be doing is something called jumping and hopping patterns. So this one is a fun one. So essentially each child has I guess you can say a safe spot or a home spot, and the teacher provides different jumping and hopping patterns that they can do. And the teacher could say something like, jump 3 times, hop once, hop twice, jump 3 times, and anything in between. So you're supposed to have a variety of sequences, and the action can go beyond simply jumping and hopping. Alright?
Alright. Hop twice. Turn around. Hop once. Hop twice. Hop 3 times. Hop as many times as you want to. Stop. Trade spots. Jump. Twist. Show me a jumping jack. Freeze. Put your arms up to the side like an airplane. Pretend you're landing. Jump on 1 foot. Turn around. Jump back. Good job.
Hi, my name's Josh Holland, and I'm going to be talking to you about elementary school physical ed for 3rd grade, and the title of the introductory activities and page reference in this book. Shall we get to it? Thank you. So the basic definition of introductory physical activity is that the first movements done when teaching, and such activities usually last around 2 to 3 minutes and involve vigorous fundamental motor skills, but very minimal instruction, according to Greasy. For the introductory activities, there are several reasons for them. So one of them is to offer students immediate activity when entering in the gym. This satisfies their desire and their want to move, and to help teachers establish a positive learning mindset and attitude. Purposeful movement done under control for the class. This will also help the children warm up physiologically. And third, but not lastly, is to practice the management skills to be used in other parts of the lesson. Hi everyone, I'm back again. It's Josh on. So I'm going to be teaching and demonstrating 2 physical fitness activities in the developmental level 2. So these are both health related compared to skill related activities. The 2 activities I chose were the crab kick and the trunk twist. So the crab kick is located on 296, 297 of Pangrisi and Beagle's textbook. And the trunk twist is on page 300 of Pangrisi and Beagle's textbook. Hi everyone, I'm back. So I'm gonna talk about the crab kick today. So for the crab kick, the position you want to be in is with the body being supported by the feet and the hands, and the back has to be parallel with the ground. The knees are to be bent at a 90-degree angle. For all crab positions, keep back up and avoid body sag. So for the movement, you have to kick the leg, specifically the right one, up first on counts 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And then repeat with the left leg. The left leg counts 3 and 4. Hi. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you what the crab kick looks like. Shall we? Counts 1 and 2. Counts 3 and 4. Alright, so the next activity I'm going to talk to you guys about is the trunk twister, located on page 300. Yes. So for this movement, you would start out with standing with your feet about shoulder width apart and pointing in a frontward forward direction. So from there, you would make your hands in a cup shape and place them loosely over the shoulders, the right on the left and the left on the right, and with the elbows out, lateral, and the chin tucked down. And then you would bend downward, and then making sure the knees are relaxed, bend downward again, and at the same time rotate the trunk to the left and then to the right, and then return to the original position, pulling the head posterior and with the chin in. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. Feet shoulder width apart, right hand on left shoulder, left hand on right shoulder. And then I have to bend at the hips, keep my chin tucked down. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And that is how you complete a trunk twister. Thank you everyone for watching my video of my 2 introductory activities and my 2 physical activities from chapter 14, and I hope you all have a good day and do well on this assignment. Thank you, everyone.